Nice.
I have it.
Can you fire it up? Sounds good, buddy. What?
Holy shit. That is awesome.
I don't remember. Did I get the...
Samantha's new race car.
Watch your legs. Awesome in person, but it does not.
Nice.
Okay, guys. I told you I'd put a video out on the Corvette. Well, I went to start it. Battery was dead. Wouldn't start. So at that point, I kind of gave up on it and went, eventually got a new battery, put it in, and it fired, and then it died. Just, whoom, dead. Tried to start it again, whoom, dead. And it just kept doing that, firing, dying, firing, dying. So eventually it stopped firing, charged the battery. It looks like it's getting fuel and spark, so not sure what that's about. Someone told me to check the crank position sensor, so I've got to drop the header. Got to drop the header down to get enough room to get to the starter, because I don't have a wrench with the 3/8 hole in it for the extension and ratchet. I don't have that little wrench head. So gotta drop the header, but almost got it there, and I'm gonna try to get this thing fired up so I can take it to the list race tomorrow. I don't want to get on the list. I just want to go down there and do a looks like the neighbors are home, do a practice run. You know, that's like my goal, to go down and just do some runs and meet up with the guys. Hopefully Parker will be there, Cleetus might be there, CJ Race Cars might be there, so I'm hoping to meet up with them and get some footage of this thing going on the track. So wish me luck. Here we go. I'm going to continue to work on it. This video is probably going to be super choppy and crappy, but this is all I got to work with. And someone is trying to call me from Ames, so that's not gonna work. Maybe I could just put it right here. There we go. I think you can see me there. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so I gotta take the plugs out to drop the header. And speaking of which, did you just see Parker's video? Holy crap. I actually been messaging with him about coming down there. Here's the plug. So this doesn't actually smell like gas, and I don't see any gas on it, so that's not good. Huh. Oh well, I'm committed now. So it had fuel on it the other day. Fuel pump could be out too, so it's a gazillion things that could be wrong. But Parker's turbo blew up, about took his head off. Fortunately it didn't, and that's great. But stuff like that happens, and it's very scary. So I'm glad he didn't get hurt, because I hope to meet up with him in person. I don't know if he's gonna be there tomorrow. Smells like fuel, but I don't see any. Okay, so I'm hoping. Yeah, this actually just went down a couple inches. Oh yeah, I should be able to get to it now. Okay, I'm gonna jack it up. Oh yeah, and I live in an HOA now, and you're not supposed to work on your stuff. They hate me. back under the car, see what we can do. That was a 15. 15-inch wrench, ratchet. None of these should even be down here. I'm gonna go grab another little puzzle piece. This baby might give me enough room to get my swivel in there. All right. Don't really need this. Creeper for the small of a job, but it's Florida, and the sun is murder. Okay, so starter is there. The crank position sensor is above it. Here on the starter, it's right here. Header was like right up against it, so I think I can get to it now. Oh man, that thing is tight. Who would do such a thing? Okay, absolutely ridiculous. Inch 7/8 headers. Huge. Loud. Didn't have time to work on this because flipping a house, just got it done. My daughter was here. We're doing stuff every day. And yeah, no time. So here we are. Doing a siding job. So I've been out in the sun all day. It wasn't too hot this week, but it definitely got in the 90s. With the breeze, so it was like, it probably felt like 87. Hope to God these are the right bolts of this starter. There it is. Kiss her. It's definitely right there. Can't really see it, but all right. Get some pry bar. O2 sensors right in the way. Definitely. Oh, why stuck? That's what we got. That out of the way. You know what? Get my hand up there now. But my hand is up there. There's the plug. No. Yeah, I can't really get it in. Oh. Let's see. This tool's been twice in here. I don't know. This fucking thing rolls. This is the best thing I've ever bought. Crank sensor is unbolted. Oh, I got it out. You guys missed it, but look, I got it out. Okay. That was the main task, was to get it out, so I'm gonna put the other one in. I don't know if you want to watch that, but I think I'll just put it in and start the video again. Take 2. Here's a new one. They did look a little worn out, so I'm going to try and just do a little praying. Dear God, let this be a lesson to all of us car people that, guess what's in the way? The dang plug. There we go. Hey. Sensors in. Now we just gotta put this fucking thing back in. This is gonna be impossible. Look in there. No way. I just can't believe this is happening. I'm not shitting you, it's in. So now I need to put the O2 sensor back in. Done. Put the header back on. And get the spark plugs. Alright, so I didn't get the startup portion of the video, but the crank sensor fixed the Corvette. It was still hard to start, but I just let it sit for 10 seconds after trying to start it each time, and eventually it fired. And so I was so excited to try it that I didn't even video it. But good news, I'm freaking headed to Bradenton Motorsports Park. Going down to do the test and tune, and they're having the list race today, so I'm super excited about that. I messaged Parker and he said he was going to be there, so I'm excited to finally meet him. And yeah, I'm finally going to Bradenton. I'm very excited. I'm very nervous that my car is not going to make it. I've never drove it that far since having it built, so I'm a little worried about that. It is a experimental engine, basically a big block kit for a LQ9 6.2. It's basically as close to a 427 as you can get without doing sleeves, and doing boost on this engine, so I didn't really want to, you know, risk the integrity of the pistons. But yeah, it's a big engine for this C5 Corvette. Now I'm hoping to make it down the drag strip. I bought a helmet and I picked that up, and so I'm headed there. It's like almost 6 o'clock. The racing and test and tune starts at 6. So hopefully I'll catch some of the guys there. If not, at least I'll get my car down the track, and hopefully I brought a GoPro, so hopefully that works very well. And I'm excited. So I don't think I'm gonna have you along for much of the drive, but proof that it is running. It is hot in Florida. It's like 90 some degrees right now, so the temperature is up a little bit on the car, but shouldn't be too many stops on the way. I do have a bigger radiator. I do have speeds a lot, but you know, this is test and tune days, so I just want to get there and experience going down the track once, see how the car does. Really just about the experience, not really trying to win anything. I'm sure that addiction will come later, but yep, probably not going to eat much. There's a Culver's. Hopefully they have some hot dogs or something. Well, I'll pick up when we get there, or if it breaks down, I'll video that as well. So there we go. I'm excited. I thought I would check it again. I'm almost halfway there, and the car is doing fine. It wants to run hot. It seems to be staying around 220, and it's shifting good. It's running good. So far, so good. Like I said, I'm just trying to make it there. So I'd say pray for me, but you probably won't see this for a week later after I'm already done. All right. Well, it's sounds great. Definitely sounds good. All right. Well, I'll start recording when I get there again, so my phone's not dead. Oh, I tried the GoPro, and my dumb ass, I forgot to bring a memory card. So I have to use my phone the whole time. Whatever. All right, I made it. It's my first time at the track as a racer, and I'm about to register, so we'll see how that goes. This is the registration.